So while digital technologies receive a lot of attention, it is important to understand for manufacturing firms that digital technologies are the beginning of wisdom in the digital revolution, not the end. So in other words, the digital transformation is a key strategic and not just an operational or a technological concern. So it affects both the strategic and operational level of manufacturing firms. At an operational level, the digital revolution will require changes in business operations, in operating procedures and routines, as well as the capabilities to, for example, manufacture or distribute products and services. But on a strategic level, the consequences are much more profound. So there are implications for the strategy of a firm, including how firms compete and how they cooperate, for the business model of a company, and even for the corporate culture. So from our research, we know that digital businesses compete and innovate fundamentally different compared to traditional manufacturing firms. So let's say you're a manufacturing firm with a typical annual strategic planning cycle, but suddenly the basis of competition is measured in terms of weeks or even days, then you're in trouble. So companies need to fundamentally rethink every aspect of how they do strategy, of how they approach markets and how they interact with different players. Another element that we observe is an increased interconnectedness of business models. And that means that companies need to rethink how they organize and transact across firm boundaries and how they co-create value together with stakeholders like customers and suppliers. And overall, this all results in the need for holistic thinking, and companies need to much more to consider how to design the point of interaction when different business models start to overlap and interact in an ecosystem.